Right, first I shuffle these cards, maybe shuffle like this, and now I take one cards. I take maybe this cards. This is cards, this is my card prediction. Right. The next step, spectator stop anytime. It's really free, it's not forced. Spectator stop maybe here. It's really free, it's not forced, right? Look. And now you make two pile, yes? Please take any pile. This, right. This card, this is 5. It's really free choice. And now I deal one by one 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's really free, it's not forced. And now your cards, this is 5 of diamonds. Wow, my prediction, 5 of spades. And this 5 of hearts. Wow, your production for 5. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice mentalism card effects. It's really easy, it's really cool, it's really unbelievable card effects because your production for cards, your prediction for cards, you make really nice effects. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe subscribe to my channel, why not? And of course share this video your friend magician, alright? And now teach this unbelievable card trick. Let's go. Right, for this trick you make a little setup. You take 4 cards, 5 of spades, 5 of hearts, clubs and diamonds. And now you shuffle these cards like this. It's really true, right? And next step you make a setup. You take 5 of spades and put in her like this. Take 2, 5 of diamonds, 5 of hearts, turn over this deck and deal 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this pile put in her like this. And now you take 5 of clubs and maybe put in her like this and squeeze. It's really easy setup. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 random cards, 5, random cards, random position 5 of clubs, and this 1, 5 of spades. Alright. And next step you make any full shuffle, any full cut. You maybe make a refull shuffle. You started this your right hand because this is 5, right? And now final this pile like this. It's really easy. Start it and make mode like this. This really easy full shuffle because you control it these 1 cards and these 6 cards. Alright. And next step you search 5 of clubs. You make a spread and search 5 of clubs, 5 of clubs. Yes, my 5 of clubs. I take these cards and put in her like this. This is my card prediction. And next step you turn over this pile and deal one by one. And spectator stop anytime. It's really free. It's not forced. And spectator maybe stop me here. It's really free. And next step you turn over this pile. You turn over this pile. It's really free. And now spectator take any pile. Maybe here, maybe here. It's really anywhere. It's really free. Maybe take this pile. Alright. And now you turn over this card. This is 5. It's really free. It's not forced. You take this pile and deal one by one 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this pile put in her like this. Alright. And next step you show it this card. This is 5 of hearts. It's really not bad. And next step you take this card. This is 5 of diamonds. It's really not bad. And now this cards. This is my card prediction. This is 5 of clubs. And now your production 4 cards. It's really easy, it's really unbelievable card prediction, maybe card mentalism effects. It's really easy to do. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.